Boys, welcome back to Anomalous Coffee. Today we're doing Cup of Despair. Here we go. This is a special episode. You'll see why. This taste, it's like swallowing pure and raw agony. It's cold, so painful. I can feel it crawling inside me, filling every corner with this unbearable sorrow. There's no light, no hope. I can't breathe. It's like the air itself is suffocating. Why does it feel so miserable? It's like I'm lost in anguish. There's no way out. Damn. Oh, hello there. If it isn't the one known as Nage. N-A-G, in case you're wondering what I'm talking about. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Now, Nage, here on the other hand, has a lot of content in terms of Cup of Lust and Cup of Death. But today, it's going to be one of these videos. Let's get to the cards. Alright, so here we are in my badge collection, my card collection. We scroll down, we go here, Abracadabra, Nage, in all her greatest beauty. Now, this isn't the only thing that she's technically a part of. She's also part of another one, but just give me a moment. So, as you see, we have foil cards as well. And then, we also have this. Now, I'm going to give you a personal view of what it looks like. Here's what the normal Nage card looks like. That's what the quote-unquote background looks like. Here's what the Nage foil card looks like. And for the Anomalous Girls one, she is in this picture. Alright, and that is on how to do the Cup of Despair and also looking at the stuff for Nage. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.